Welcome to Brain Boost Lab. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide for college success. How to Study in College by Walter Pock. If you're looking to level up your study habits and get the most out of your college years, stay tuned. How to Study in College is a classic when it comes to mastering effective study techniques. Originally published decades ago, the book has evolved to cover both traditional and modern strategies to help students tackle college work. This 11th edition brings in updates on digital learning, time management, critical thinking, and more. So let's break down Pock's best advice into some core strategies you can start using today. Core Strategy 1. The Cornell Note-Taking Method. First up is one of the most famous parts of this book, the Cornell Note-Taking Method. Pock actually invented this method, which has been widely adopted because it's so effective for organizing and retaining information. Here's how it works. 1. Divide your page into 3 sections: a narrow left column, a wide right column, and a bottom summary section. 2. Use the wide column for lecture notes, the left column for key terms or questions, and the bottom section for a summary of the main ideas. This layout helps you actively engage with material during and after class, making it easier to review for exams. Core Strategy 2. Time Management. Next is time management, a big focus in Pock's book. He emphasizes planning by setting priorities, breaking large tasks into smaller steps, and using planners or digital tools to stay organized. Pock suggests the 2-hour study rule. For every hour in class, plan to spend 2 hours studying. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, try his technique of study blocks. Break your study sessions into chunks and schedule regular breaks to keep up your energy and focus. Core Strategy 3. Active Reading. Another cornerstone of Pock's approach is active reading. Instead of passively reading textbooks, Pock suggests turning headings into questions. So if you see a heading like photosynthesis, turn it into a question like, what is photosynthesis? And then read to answer it. This method, called SQ3R, Survey, Question, Read, Recite, Review, forces you to engage with the material and remember it better. Core Strategy 4. Test-Taking Strategies. When it comes to test-taking, Pock offers practical tips to help students perform well under pressure. He recommends starting with the easiest questions to build confidence, budgeting time carefully, and reviewing your answers if you finish early. His advice on preparing for tests includes predicting possible questions and creating practice exams, so you walk into your test feeling more prepared and confident. Core Strategy 5. Critical Thinking and Problem Solving. In this edition, Pock places a stronger emphasis on critical thinking. He encourages students to not just memorize facts, but to analyze, synthesize, and question information. He suggests forming study groups or using online forums to debate and discuss concepts with others, which sharpens critical thinking skills and improves understanding. Overall, How to Study in College is a must-read for students aiming to succeed in college and beyond. It's packed with actionable techniques, from the Cornell note-taking method to active reading and test strategies. Following Pock's advice can help make studying less overwhelming and more efficient, leaving you with skills you'll use far beyond college. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which tip you're excited to try. Until next time, happy studying.